Hello, it's me Kamla Podel. Today I am here with the topic of surface area and volume of the prisma. In last session we have learned how to derive the formula of the surface area and the volume of the prisma. Today we are applying the same formula to calculate the surface area and volume of the given prisma. Okay, let's join the class. Here is the question: calculate the surface area and volume of the given prisma. I am giving here a prisma. Okay, I am drawing here. You can draw with me. Okay, it is our question. Here I am adding here dimensions. The length is 4. Here is also 4. Here is also 4 centimeter. This length 4, 4. Here is the end. This length also 4. Dimensions is given here. Now the length of the prisma is 10 centimeter. These all are centimeter. Okay, now we are going to find the surface area and volume of this prisma. Okay, first of all let's mind make up how to find the surface area and volume. Okay, okay, to find the surface area, it's total surface area, because yes, surface area mean you have to understand it's total surface area. So how to find the total surface area? Let's make work out. Okay, total surface area mean 2 times the area of base plus lateral surface area. It's our framework. Okay, we are going in this way. We are calculating total surface area. That's what, first of all we have to calculate the area of the base and the lateral surface area. Then we can apply this formula, total surface area of the prisma. Okay, first of all we have to find out what is the height of the prisma here. Can you find the height of the prisma? Can you tell? The line which join the congruent parallel opposite faces is called the height of the prisma. Here this face one is base of the prisma, back side there is again the same face, so that is called the base of the prisma, because these two parts are congruent parallel. Okay, then the 10 centimeter will be the height of the prisma. So I am writing here height of the prisma. Height of the prisma is 10 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the area of the base. Okay, area of the base A. How to find the area of the base here? Okay, area of the base. Okay, I am going to make a rough sketch of the base What is the base of the prism here? This. Is this the base of the prisma? Okay, this is the base of the prisma. Then what is the dimensions here? Here is 4. So this length is given 4. That's what the opposite part is also will be 4. Here is 4. Similarly, these all part are 4 centimeter. Then calculate the downside one length. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then this will be 12 centimeter. This again will be 12 centimeter because this height are 4, 4, 4, 12 centimeter. So it is our base. Okay. Then let us divide it into rectangular part. Okay. This is one rectangle or square. Okay. Then we can calculate this area easily. Yes. Length into breadth or L square. And again we can make here another rectangle by drawing line. Then to find the area of the base we have to add these 3 areas. Okay, separately. So the area of the base will be 4 into 4 plus next one length 8 breadth 4, 8 into 4 plus another one 12 into 4 length into breadth 12 into 4. Okay. Then 4 4 is 16 plus 32 plus 48. While adding it gave 70, 80, 96. 96. It is the area. So the unit is given centimeter. So it will be centimeter square. It is the area of the base. Okay. This one is rough figure. We can remove it. Area of the base. Okay. We came here. Now we are going to find out lateral surface area of the prisma. Okay, now we are going to find out lateral surface area of prisma. How to find the lateral surface area of the prisma? Lateral surface area of the prisma you have already learned. Perimeter of the base into height of the prisma. Yeah. In same way, perimeter of the base into height of the prisma. What is the perimeter of the base? This 4, 4, 4 is it is the base of the prisma. Here we are going to find the perimeter of the base. Okay, then we have to add all the boundaries to find the perimeter. Okay, 12 plus 12 plus 6 times 4. Okay, into height of the prisma. Height of the prisma 10 centimeter. Okay, then we have to add here 6 for the 24 plus 24 48 into 10 480 where in area, so write down your unit centimeter square. Okay, we have find here lateral surface area of the prisma. Now finally we are going to find here total surface area of the prisma. Total surface area. Then what is the formula? 2 times area plus lateral surface. area. Okay, we are applying here 2 times area plus lateral surface area 2 times area. What is the area of the base? Area of the base 96 centimeter square. 96 plus lateral surface area 480. Okay, I multiply here 192 plus 480. While adding here 2 17 672. It is the area. That's what, write down the unit, centimeter square. We have find here total surface area of the prisma. What was our question? Calculate the surface area and volume of the prisma. Now still we have to find out the volume of the prisma. Let us find out volume. Okay. Now we are finding the volume. Okay. What is the formula? Area of the base into height. Area of the base into height of the prisma. What was our area of the base? Here is the area of base 96. 96 into height 10 centimeter. So while calculating it came 960. It is the volume 960 centimeter cube. Okay, it's our answer. Total surface area and volume of the prisma. Let us review. Surface area and volume of the prisma. This is the given picture. We have calculated here total surface area by applying this formula. First of all, we found here surface area and then lateral surface area and then total surface area of the prisma. Here is the volume of the prisma. Okay, we'll join again with different topic. See you again. Bye bye.